Welcome to FFS PRO Site Builder. FFS PRO Site Builder is our step-by-step design and quoting tool for sales and purchasing personnel. In this latest tutorial, we will be highlighting a few new tools and options available to Site Builder users. Begin by going to builder.ffspro.com. The first thing to note is the addition of links across the top of the page, connecting FFS PRO Site Builder to the complete range of FFS PRO services. Now log in to FFS PRO Site Builder. The first update is the new Quote Preference page. This can be found in the drop-down menu under your account name. Click on the arrow to bring up the menu and click through to the page. Here you will find a list of preferences to reflect the type of sites you quote for most often. You can either select your choice here or leave the option as Ask Me Every Time. If you make a choice here, then you'll have the option to apply these preferences to any new quote automatically. These choices will be available to all future quotes, but will not affect any previously created quotes. Once you have made your selections, click Save Preferences to save your choices and click OK to confirm. You'll be returned to whatever screen you were previously on. The next update is the addition of the Quick Quote functionality. Click on the Quick Quote button. The Quick Quote screen allows you to enter a part number into the form and to see an immediate price. Enter a part number into the form and the system will provide suggestions based upon the first 3 characters you enter. Choose the part, select a quantity, and then click Add Part. This will begin to generate a table of new parts with their quantity and their price. The quantity can be adjusted within the table to provide instant updates. Or the part can be removed by clicking the red circle. Again, the current total maintains an updated price total. Note that the currency used is stated at the top of the form. This will be based upon the system defaults or on the user's quote preferences. If the currency preference is changed and you have a quick quote in process, then the quick quote will be deleted as the parts and prices will be invalidated. It is possible to close the quick quote tool at any time and continue using the site builder. When you return to the quick quote screen, the previous items will remain selected. If you wish to start a fresh list, then click on Clear List to begin again. If you're satisfied with your quick quote list and wish to save these items, it is possible to generate a quote from these items. First, provide a name for your new quote. The defaults for the quote name will be based upon the date, but you can click and change this. Now click on Generate Quote. This will effectively clear the current quick quote and will create a new manual quote which can be accessed from the quote's homepage. Make sure you refresh the page to see the changes. This can now be accessed, edited and finalized as a normal quote. When you start a new quote, you will see that the quote preferences are now available for any new quote. You are given an option to apply your preferences to this new quote. In order to remind yourself what preferences are selected, click on the View Saved Preferences button and review your choices. Clicking on the Edit button here will take you to the quote preference page. If you choose to not apply your preferences to this quote, then you'll have a chance to select the system of measurement and the currency for this quote. The main page for a new quote has been redesigned, with the site package walkthroughs on the left and the link for the manual quote on the right. As you progress through one of the walkthroughs, you will also notice another new feature. The Help and Support button appears here within any of the walkthrough pages. Clicking on this button brings up a new contact pop-up that allows you to send a question to the Site Builder team. This is the same as the main contact page, but here you will also have the option to include your current quote information and your position within the current site package. When you close the pop-up or send the email, you'll be taken back to your previous place in the quote. Our final update is here on the Home Quotes page. If you wish to share a quote you're working on with another Site Builder user, you can now share a copy of your quote. Click on the share icon next to the quote and a pop-up will appear to allow you to share your quote. Enter an email and click Share Quote. If the user does not have a Site Builder account, you will receive an alert letting you know. Quotes can only be shared with those with an existing Site Builder account. You can also add your own email address here and it will send yourself the quote. When you hit the Send button, the user will receive an email letting them know that they have a new quote. Once they log into the Site Builder, the new quote will appear on the quote homepage with a button next to it highlighting the fact that this is a new quote for them to view, edit, copy, or share as they require. Another place this option will appear is within the manual quote. At the bottom of the manual quote, you'll be able to share a quote prior to hitting the finalize and lock. That concludes the new updates and improvements to the FFS PRO Site Builder tool.